Good projects produce more fruits. That's why SciCut Phase 1 extends to SciCut Avenues. From serving as a pathway in Phase 1, this project aims to provide more avenues to further the advocacy of not only imparting technology in the community, but in creating a more sustainable ecosystem where both technology and nature thrive, hence dubbed as SciCut Avenues, or access to value-adding and engaging innovations towards sustainability of agri-education and agri-tourism. In continuous support to Farm Tourism Development Act, or FTDA of 2016, this project funded by the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, Research and Development is set to be implemented by Cavite State University from January 1, 2021 to December 31, 2022 in partnership with Silan Agri-Farm, UP Institute for Small-Scale Industries, and the local government unit of Indang, Cavite. Headed by Dr. Lilibeth P. Novicio, this project aims to strengthen linkages and reach a wider dissemination of various agricultural technologies through both actual farm tour packages and digital marketing strategies. For the past 8 months, SciCut Avenues has been serving even amidst the pandemic to ensure quality outputs all for the community it caters. Here is how it does its job as reflected in the keywords of its name, Avenues. Access. As an extension of SciCut Project Phase 1, it continues to make agri-technology accessible to more farmers and agriculture enthusiasts through webinars and social media channels. Information about SciCut Project is also being shared through various platforms like radio interviews and newsletters. Value adding. With the skills of Silan Agri-Farm, they have successfully transferred tomato and eggplant seedlings from Project SciCut to their designated areas. Both project staff and farm personnel attend various trainings relevant to farm management facilitated by UP ISSI. These include Human Resource Management for Agri and Farm Tourism Enterprises and Financial Literacy and Management for Agri and Farm Tourism Enterprises. While the number of farm visitors decreased due to the community quarantine restrictions, a 35% increase in the June 2021 income was recorded compared to the income for the first half of 2020 due to additional dragon fruits harvested early with the help of technology adopted. Engaging. The social media campaign for SciCut Project on Facebook and YouTube promotes Silan Agri-Farm's educational component through videos and posters on agricultural technologies and other information about agricultural farming and production. IEC materials were translated into videos uploaded in the newly created YouTube channel with 277 subscribers. Meanwhile, its official Facebook page as of September 2021 has reached 2,855 followers, interacting through likes, reactions, comments, and shares. Through UP ISSI, Project SciCut also partnered with IXN as a third-party social media managing company to assist in content production for greater engagement while training the staff. In the July report of IXN, SciCut Silan FB page reached 97.84% engagement with the story of an adopter reaching 25,593 social media users. Innovations. Technology adoption is one of the main components of the project, focusing on 5 major packages of innovative technologies in its first year of implementation, namely nursery management, asexual propagation, native chicken production, dragon fruit processing, and vermicomposting. The project also facilitated the trademark application of Silan Agri-Farm with assistance from the CVSU Innovations and Technology Support Office, increasing the credibility of its brand. Sustainability. It has continued to assist the needs of local farmers as it administered training needs assessment to 100 farmers in the various parts of Cavite. It has also sealed 2 memoranda of agreement with adopters. Aside from these Sheila Silan with 26 native chicken, Mr. Richard Tintin also took care of 58 native chicken. 8 farm workers also got employed as the project continues at Silan Agri Farm, providing not only income for their respective families but also trainings for better farm management. Agri-education. Webinars conducted from May to June has capacitated 1,099 participants coming from the different provinces in the country. An online search for the SciCat technology adopters who arose from such webinars was also facilitated. Additional features were also released to encourage community members to learn and try agriculture even during the quarantine. These include AgriQuiz, AgriVlogs, and AgriBits. Agri-tourism. Continuous development of facilities are evident at Silan Agri Farm with maximum health protocol. The staff have been monitoring such developments through visits in the farm along with visits to some adopters. It may be a difficult time, but SciCat Avenues is dedicated to fulfill its mission, topped with passion and commitment to our local communities. Join us as we continuously promote agri-tourism in the country. Remember that with SciCat Avenues, you don't need to go far. Just go farm.